Welcome to Tungu Kids!
Oh no! Baby Noah's tummy is rumbling. He's super hungry. What should he eat? Baby Chick has a fun surprise.
Surprise! Come with me, Noah! I have a yummy idea. Look! An empty little shop. Let's turn it into the best pizza shop ever!
Hammer, tap, hang.
Hooray! Our pizza shop is open! Chef Noah is ready. And Chef Chick is ready too. Let's cook! First comes the fluffy flour. Nice job, Noah. Splash, splash. Here comes the water. Don't spill it. Mix, mix, mix. Round and round. It's turning into pizza dough. Push, squeeze. Soft dough makes yummy pizza. Whoa! Flour everywhere! Silly little chef. Roll it bigger. Bigger! Wow! This pizza is getting huge! Spread the yummy sauce. Don't miss a single spot. Cheese shower! So much melty, stretchy cheese! Red, yellow, green. Let's make the world's most colorful pizza! Look! Our pizza is smiling back at us. Into the oven you go. Bake nice and golden. Wow! It's the biggest pizza we've ever seen! Look who's here! All our hungry friends came for pizza! One slice, 2 slices. Everyone gets a yummy piece. Mmm! 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 This pizza is super tasty! Hooray! Baby Noah! Baby Noah is our superstar pizza chef! Pizza party time! Dance, clap, and celebrate together! Thanks for making the biggest pizza with us. See you next time. Bye-bye, little chefs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you next time. Learn and have fun.